Parrots don't copy human words because they're talking like us. They copy them because they're built to copy sounds. In the wild, parrots survive by staying connected, calling to a mate, a flock, a family. So evolution gave them a vocal system that's insanely precise and a brain that's wired for mimicry. They don't just have one voice box like we do. They have a syrinx, an organ that can control airflow in ways that let them shape sounds with shocking accuracy. Then they fine-tune it like a musician, listening, repeating, adjusting, until the sound matches. But the real reason they mimic humans is simpler. To a parrot, you're not a different species. You're their flock, and copying your words is their way of saying, "I'm with you. I belong here."